Hello, guys, and good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my YouTube channel, MMC. And on today's video, I'll be showing how you can make uh 20 up to $20 within 24 hours and with zero capital. You don't need any investment on this. You don't need anything. Just what you just need to do, download and and these very websites, it will work for you. Just do your registration and everything. You are good to go. But before then, before I jump into the video, I would like you guys to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video for others to see, and it will really help our channel to grow. Thank you so much. So let's jump into the video. And then in today's video, I'll be sharing with you these two platforms. The first one is a site where you make your earnings, and the second one is your is like a wallet where your money will be transferred into. So this is the first platform, and it's called Final AutoClaim. And just I will drop the other link below for you to to register, and from there you can start making your money. So you go to the site and you register. You go into the registration, the sign up button. When you go to the sign up buttons, you can just go there, do your normal registration, and from there you can put all your details, everything that that is required, just your username, your email, password, and uh you confirm your password once more. But one thing I want you to do is the email that you use for these websites, let it tally with the email they are going to use for the second app that I'm going to drop very soon. So but for me, I've already registered, and I'm already making up my money. But what I'm going to do, let me just log in here and and show you how everything is being done. Just I want you to just go with me. Let me log in now, and yeah, please subscribe and love our channel, like it, and for others to see also. So this is my login page. Let me log in my details, and let me you know for my yeah, just hold on, let it load, and you see how it's been done. Very easy task and very easy. If I tell you it's easy, I tell you it's easy. Just close, just put it and let it work, and you can be doing other things where this make you monies, and you can set your payment method into any of the cryptocurrencies to use. Now this is the platform. This is how the platform is. When you open the first page, this is how the page look. This is my own page. All right, this is my own web page, and so when you scroll down the page, you can just go through how everything is, how you can go through it and see how the platform is from one page to the other, from one this thing. But the first page, this is how it is, and what you are going to do, how to set it up is firstly you have to select, where you see select the payment method. You choose a payment method, which is the second the app that I'm going to use. I'm going to that you're going to see very soon. Okay, so you click it, this balance mode plus 10, you click it and you choose the one that which is for set pay mode. You choose it. When you choose it, you select your reward multiply. So may I don't may I put it in uh, maybe three times or two times. It depends on how you want your your money to be multiplied. And after then you scroll down, this refresh where the 2 minutes cost $3. Just leave everything like that. You go down and you choose your payment method. That's the where you what's the currency that you want your money to be paid into. But for me, I did choose USDT. This USDT down here, I do choose USDT. You can see it here. Yes, I do choose USDT. You can choose any coin that you know that that is fine for you, that you know that you love, that you know that is that is money to. But for me, I go with USDT. Then after doing that, you scroll down again and you come to this bot, this anti-bot. Okay, you just you type in your power to. This is my own you know uh I have to prove that I'm not robot, so I have to click this and type it here. Coming, just hold on a minute. So when I put it in and it will load it up. The moment it load up, the moment it load up, let's hold on for it. Yes, it has load up, and the moment you load up, what you will see your auto claim token 17. Mine is dropping. With time it will grow. After some time, it will drop again. So down you will see how where it's this this is how it works. You can see that the seconds is counting. You can see that the second is counting. It takes you 2 minutes for them to to send like 11146 USDT into your account. Okay, so is this is not up to a cent, but in 2 minutes time, this is what will be sent to your account every 2 minutes. And this is, but by the time you do this roughly for 30 minutes on 1 hour, you will see what your money will become in your account. So this is how it is and this is how it works. We still have a lot of offers there also. By the time you go down, you scroll down, you can see different ways to to earn auto claim tokens. You can go for short link wall, you can go for offer walls, PTC wall, soft adverts and achievement contest. You can go for contests, social jobs, and others like that. But for me, let me show you another ways you can actually make a lot of coin or coin let's say coin, because this final auto token also have their own coin. This is how to generate their own coin to prove to okay to make these tokens, to make your own tokens to be more multiply every time that you are you are using this site. So let's go to short link walls. You can see that's the first one. That's the 100 XP beside it. Short link walls. When we click our short link walls, you can see it will bring us to another page, from that, and this place is going to show us all the offers that they have on this very this very site here. Okay, by doing a little task from there, okay, you can see this is the reward 100 watts, 100 XP. Yes, 100 XP. Okay, per reward. Okay, this you click it. By the time you click it, it's going to direct you to another link. Let's say you can see there viewers. You have to view 3 links before you can get this XP, this 100 XP. Okay, before you can claim this 100 XP. To the second one, you can see this one is just only one viewers. The second one is just only one viewers, and you click it, it will direct you to the link, and by the time you complete it, it will count some numbers for you, maybe from 1 to 10 or from 1 to 20, and it will give you your 100 XP. So a lot of tasks here. By the time you go through or you finish all this link, I tell you that within a short of 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can finish that and you can see what your money is going to it's going to increase. And by the end of the whole day or by the end of the week, you can put it in a weekly withdrawal. That's what I do every week. I withdraw it. So I claim it every day, every week I withdraw it. So let's go back. This is how the platform is. You can actually check check all the, how the platform looks like, the claim rates, the offer walls, as I've said, the short link walls is, space, bonus, and the rest. So this is the first thing, and I tell you, I will drop the link below for you to click and to register, and you are good to go. So let me show you this. Okay, before then, okay, by the time you want to withdraw your money, and like I've said earlier on, okay, let me show you the second app. This one is an app where you can actually, this app is called FaucetPay, and I will drop the app link also to you. And this link, by the time you just downloaded it, okay, you downloaded it. Don't forget that I said earlier that the mail that you use for the uh for the site I just, for the auto claim, is the email that you're going to use for this, for them, for it to be easier for them to do your payment method. So let me click link into it now and see how it is. Just hold on for a while. I think it's asking for my, security. Societies. Yeah, this is my, and this is that I just, sign in now. This is the app. This is how the app look like. And on this app you can do a lot of things. You have a lot of your payments, payments, this thing, payments, coin that you can use to withdraw your money. So like I've said here earlier on, by the time you registered for this and you do your normal, registration, you do everything, what you just need to do to link this app, this withdrawal app, to the site there, is just your email. The email that you use to register with this app, what you just need to do, just go straight, as I've said earlier on, just go straight to that site, to this site, to this final auto claim. When you just go there, okay, you go to your balance and withdraw. When you go to your balance and withdraw, okay, let it load up. You see what I'm saying? So easy, and so easy to make money. By the time you link it, you don't need to be, doing your withdrawal every day, like, okay, let me go to the withdrawal balance and let me withdraw from this final auto claim to no, you don't need that. It's automatically, by the time you complete it, those 2 minutes task, okay, it will be directing your money, as in to be transferring your money straight down to your account. So you don't need to to stress yourself on anything. By the time you just do your normal connection and everything, what you just need to do is just come to this final auto claim every day and just do your payment method. So this is my own payment method, as I've said, and I have to scroll down fast because of our time. I don't want to waste much time on this. This, you can see, this is my TRC20. I use USDT. This is my payment method. So by the time I click withdraw, you get to, you have to get a certain this thing, but so this is how it is. So what I use, you can see, choose a method. You can see it here, request a USDT withdrawal. Choose a method. This is the FaucetPay.io, which is the site, this very site that I showed you earlier. This site, this app that you will download. So you just download and link your email to it. By the time you link your email to it, so you don't need to do anything. So all my payment method is automatically direct to my app, to that my to that app, to my app, to say. So bros and sisters, this is all what you just need to do, and you are good to go. Every time you just come in and you do your normal task, and sometimes what me I do is I leave it, I leave the, the site open, and it do everything for me. It claim the payment for me every time. So I don't need to work much on it or do anything. Just come in every day, or just set it up and leave it like that, and the money will be generating uh into my FaucetPay. So this is how it is. You can see the settings is there. This is the FaucetPay. Select the payment mode. I've already selected. I put it on select reward. Reward multiply times two. Times two. I select my payment method, which is the USDT, and I come in. I just this is all what you'll be doing